The first draw of the month is our upcoming draw of Mahzooz, which is drawing on 1st October 2022. Friends, this video is very helpful for your selection, so please look it carefully. These are the recent three draws. These are the three recent past draws that are first draw of the month. This is the result of 2nd July, then 6th August, then 3rd September, and it is 1 October, our upcoming draw of Mahzooz. Friends, according to this past history, I will give you the best combination for the first draw of the month. In July first draw, they picked two numbers from 1 to 9 and two numbers from 10 to 19 and one number from 20 to 49. This is the pattern. Two numbers from 1 to 9, two numbers from 10 to 19 and one number from 20 to 49. Same procedure, same pattern they picked again on the next first draw of the month, 6th August. You can see again they picked two numbers from 1 to 9, 7 and 9. Then 17 and 19, two numbers from 10 to 19. Again they pick one number from 20 to 49. That is 21. Again on the next month you can see they repeated the same pattern. Two numbers you can see 2 and 8 from 1 to 9. Then 14 and 16, two numbers from 10 to 19. And last one number from 20 to 49. Friends, if they will continue this pattern, then according to this you can see our first draw of the month, the numbers will come according to this pattern. Two numbers from 1 to 9, two numbers from 10 to 19 and one number from 20 to 49. If you like this pattern, you can select your numbers according to this. You should select two numbers from 1 to 9, two numbers from 10 to 19 and one number from 20 to 49, any numbers you like. Another best thing is you can see from 10 to 19 they picked two numbers with the same difference number, that is 2. 12 minus 10, answer is 2. Then 19, you can see 19, 17 minus 17, answer is 2 again. Then 16 minus 14, answer is 2 again. In first draw you can see they picked both even numbers with the difference of 2. In second draw they picked both odd numbers with the difference of 2. In third draw again they picked even numbers with the difference of 2. Now according to this routine, two times they picked even numbers with the difference of 2. Now if they follow this routine, two odd numbers with the difference of 2. From 10 to 19. Two numbers with the difference of 2, that is 13 and 15. These are the best numbers from 10 to 19. You can pick these both numbers with the difference of 2, 13 and 15. You can also pick in even if you like, but the powerful thing is in odd numbers, that is 13 and 15. Powerful. So in the end, good luck to all and wait for my final prediction video for the Mahzooz draw. This is the powerful pattern, powerful combination. You can apply in your selection.